Come test drive this 2013 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle glistens in the crowded pickup truck segment. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the following features are included: delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, a rear step bumper, and more. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.